I'm going to show you how to do a Turkish cast on or Middle Eastern cast on. You'll need a set of circular needles, and make sure your cable is nice and flexible. If it's too stiff, you're going to have trouble doing this cast on. The cast on can tend to get a little bit sloppy, so you especially don't want too much stiffness in this cable. To begin with, hold the needle tips parallel to each other and slide the yarn down in between so that the yarn tail is coming across the back, and you're going to just hang on to that yarn tail. So get set up here. Now you're just going to wrap the yarn around both needles. Looks easy, right? Make sure you're wrapping around the fatter part of the needle, and you wrap half as many times as the number of stitches you need. So for instance, if I need 14 stitches to start, I'm going to wrap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 wraps for my 14 stitches. Now, hanging on to this working yarn as well, I'm going to pull my bottom needle through so that the stitches end up on the cable, and then I'm going to pull it around so that I have the needle tip available to use. I'm going to keep hanging on to this yarn tail for just a minute. Now I will knit the stitches off this needle. This was my top needle, this was my bottom needle. Here I've got the working yarn, and I'll just knit those stitches. So it'll be 7 stitches. This first little bit here was just the loop that I had wrapped around the needle or the yarn tail, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to let that drop off. Now, rotate your work just like this and slide the stitches that are on the cable onto the needle tip. And that last one may be a little tight. There we go. Then pull the needle tip that you just knit onto out so that those stitches go onto the cable, and pull it around so you can begin knitting. Now here's my working yarn. Don't want to knit with my yarn tail. Make sure I get all that sorted out, and then knit the stitches off this side. Here I have my 7 stitches on one side and my 7 stitches on the cable. I can just keep knitting in the round like that just to do magic loops, so I can again rotate, pull my bottom needle out so the cable holds those stitches, slide the top stitches onto the needle, use the free tip now to knit these stitches. I'll do another couple of rounds so that you can see what the cast on looks like when you have done a few rounds. Here I've worked a couple more rounds so you can see what this looks like. Let me slide this so you can see it a little bit better. It's a little, these stitches, cast on stitches, are a little bit looser than the ones surrounding them. So once you have a few rounds, if you want to tighten that up, just take a needle tip and tighten the stitches up by pulling them up like this and working them all the way to the end, and then pulling on that yarn tail to tighten down that last stitch. If you're really struggling to hang on to that yarn tail when you're wrapping your yarn, you can just start with a slip knot on the needle and wrap your yarn around both needles, just like we did before, but this time you'll just ignore that slip knot. When you come to it, you'll let it drop off the needle. So that would look like this. And there's that slip knot. I'll just turn my work around like this and slide the stitches up. Drop the slip knot off the needle and keep knitting. If you'd like more instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for other ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.